Alright everyone, I am going to give you a little tour of my house, or the place I was living at. I'm moving out today, it's the last day, so traditionally I like to take a little video walkthrough, a little walking tour of the place, kind of show you guys where it is that I've been living for the last year and so. Not too long, but long enough to really appreciate it. It's a beautiful house, had a lot of cool adventures here. My roommate left about 2 months ago, so I've been kind of in here by myself since then. It's been great. Washer and dryer, it's been very nice having those in here. That was my roommate's room. Loving all the lighting, by the way, in here in the living dining area. Well, this is the living room. This would probably be more like the dining. The kitchen's over there. We'll show you in a minute. It's kind of like one big loop. This was my room. Pretty spacious. Love the hardwood floors and the fan. And little closet space in there. So I cleaned everything and emptied out everything pretty much all day yesterday. Got it all done, so I'm actually about ready to head to work, but I just wanted to take one last look around so years from now I can remember this awesome spot. This is the view I had. Pretty sweet, huh? It's a pretty nice carriage house right around the corner there. Nice deck. I'm sure a lot of you recognize the house just from my YouTube adventures of the last year or so. My roommate's room, a little smaller than mine, so I got lucky on that one. This is the bathroom. Now the toilet is in its own separate little space, which is kind of funny. Replaced the shower head, cleaned everything as much as I could. This is the kitchen, my favorite room in the house. It's just really nice. I spent a lot of time here reading, working on YouTube projects, cooking, things like that. Naturally. This is the view of the neighbor's house. They have a pretty nice spot too, with a nice big yard and garden. This is where I spent many a night looking out that window, enjoying the sounds of nature and the occasional storm. We have this old school like calendar chalkboard thing that was here when I moved in. So it is today. Let's set it right. It's like the it's the 30th. And it is August. I'll just leave it there. Anyways, yeah, it's been a great spot. Here, let me show you the back real quick. This is the hall. This is like back storage area here and shelving. This goes down to the creepy basement. You know, every house in Maine's got one. Creepy spiders. Whee! This goes up to the upstairs neighbor's house. She has her own entrance. And there you go. This is the look off the back deck. Here, let's open it. Here, I'll show you. Hold on. Wow. There we go. Let's take a quick peek. These are the views I got to enjoy for the last year and a half, including the back garden here. I know a lot of you have been curious, you know, where it is I've been living since I moved back into Bath. Well, I've lived a couple places, but this is the longest one. And I'll tell you more about my my next situation or my next living arrangement. But I got to get going. I'm running late for work, as usual. But I hope you guys enjoyed the little video tour of the house. I'm beginning to miss it. Oh, this is the other bathroom here. It's just the toilet and a little sink thing. Here, watch this. When you flush it, sorry to waste the water, but this is for demonstration purposes only. You got a little water spout here, so you can wash your hands. No, it's not toilet water being pumped up for here, back out again. That would be hilarious if it was, though. Let's see here. There's another view of the neighbor's house. Yeah, just a beautiful, beautiful spot. It was a great place to live for the last year or so. I'm going to be sad to move, but outward and onward. Gotta do what I gotta do. There's a calendar I had here from last January. I'm just going to leave that. Grand piano, some old stuff, recycling, and another staircase up to the neighbor's, upstairs neighbor. And she is gone for a minute. Anyways, I'll see y'all later. Take care. I hope you guys enjoyed all the adventures I had here at my place at High Street. Cheers.